Hey everybody, it's Becca J. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We're trying something old but new for me, and it's not too old. It's just that I'm kind of late with it. I had gotten it right before Christmas or a little after Thanksgiving, and I had waited because there's something in there, and I was waiting for the new year. And now I forgot about it. I'm late. So we're trying the Too Faced Pretty Little Planner. Best year ever for 2018. Yay. And that's why I waited, because it did have a planner in there. And I was like, ooh. But sometimes my mom gets me one for Christmas. So I didn't want to start this one in case she got me one for Christmas, and she did not. So I am lucky I have a planner now, and that's how I remembered about this. I was like, oh, I need a planner, and I was like, oh, ooh, video time. Oh, it's cute. Let's take the paper off. It's cute. It has a beautiful, cute little tassel. Says wake up, make up, repeat. Too Faced, and on the back it's best year ever. This to me looks like a baby bluish, greenish color, baby green maybe. I don't know, but it's beautiful. Let's unzip. Ooh. Comes with Too Faced Better Than Sex, the mascara, which is perfect because I'm almost out of this one that I have. This is bigger for the wand, or the handle rather. Would have been nice if it had been scented, because that's a strong smell. Okay, also in here is this cute little heart mirror with the protective film, which we will just rip off. It's got like a little mini pocket. I believe this would be a pen holder or eyeliner or something. Probably a pen, since there's a planner in here. So here's this. We're going to take this out and look at it in a minute. This we're going to take out and look at the planner. Says the same thing, wake up, make up, repeats. Okay, and you open it and there's stickers. It says things like rise and prime your lashes. Okay, try a new shade, make and blush, wake up for makeup. On Wednesdays we wear pink. It's just kind of cute. Smart girls fake it, get a new bronzer. That's what it says. Give peach a chance, and then it looks like a little peach palette. But I swear that's what it said. Smart girls fake it. Give bronzer a chance. Oh, get a new bronzer. Anyway. Okay, Pretty Thoughts by. This is for who it's for, which would be me. 2018-2019 calendar. Very nice for a quick at a glance. This is cute. So it's got a little bit of space and then a little bit of space here for notes, but if you write real tiny you can write something like an appointment. It has like New Year's Day, National Whipped Cream Day, and then down here it's got like fun little facts. It's kind of cute, and it does that the whole, ooh. At the end it has a winter tutorial and a spring tutorial. And here is summer and fall. And then numerous pages for just notes. There's more, but my fingers are sticking and I can't get the papers. Very cute. This is gonna honestly, I will be using it because I need a planner. My baby girl's got appointments coming up and I'm lost without a planner. Okay. This is it. Ooh. There went protective shield, which is fine. So there's no mirror in this, which I guess is fine because there's one in here, but that's kind of awkward. But if you wanted to take this with you in this, you'd have to maybe take a separate little mirror, like the one that I have will fit right in that pocket. And then I can take it out to actually look at myself more without all that mess. How weird. I was really hoping this would smell. And it does, but not good. Alright, let's get into some swatches. Good Girl Soft Buttercream, White Christmas and Ice White, Workshop, a metallic rust, Good as Gold, a rich metallic gold, Break the Ice, a golden teal, oh, Rise and Shine, a frosted beige, Secret Santa, soft matte pink, Coffee First, medium cool brown, Dollhouse, shimmering plum, Elfie Selfie, silvered taupe, Why Not, soft bone beige, Silent Night, gilded gray, Snooze You Lose, deep cool brown, Wrap It Up, matte mauve, Bouville, deepest plum. And that's all of the beautiful colors. Okay, and it was obvious some of the colors on the swatches flaked off. They were just a little on the cakey side, but we will see what happens during application. I'm not really sure what I want to do. Okay, I'm going to start with this Good Girl and go over the whole eye section. I keep looking like there should be a mirror. There's not one. It's driving me crazy. Okay, I'm going to take Secret Santa and go in to this area. Okay, I'm feeling, want something a little darker, so I'm going to take the Wrap It Up and go over that. Yes. Now I'm going to take this Break the Ice and do it on the inner and outer of the eye. Okay, now with my finger I'm going to take this Silent Night and go into the blank areas. Okay, and on top of that gray, I'm going to take this Elfie Selfie and put it on top of that to try to lighten it up a little bit, I think. Okay, now I'm just going to take a little brush here and try to blend some of that in a little bit. Now I'm taking some of this White Christmas for my accents. Dollhouse. We're putting dollhouse on the lips. There you go. I tried a Christmassy, holiday, halo-y type thing. I like the lips, really. I don't know, it's just something fun. As soon as I saw like these, I was like, ooh, I gotta do something. Gotta do something. That's what I did. I personally actually really like it. I'm not sure I should have gone with the pink. Could have gone with something a little else, but it works for now. Just wish they had scented it. This is like a big thumbs up. I was not expecting so much fun. Not too bad on the fallout either, but I will clean it up just to see. I really like it. I know some of you out there are going, no. But I really like this. I really do. If you have it, you want it, you love it, you hate it, let me know. Tell me what's going on with you. I know this was a late video. I'm sorry. Wish I had been the first one out there to do it, but I'm not that lucky. Okay. We'll leave the link down below, the magical link for you. Hopefully it's still available. I think it would be, because it's not too far into 2018 that they would just get rid of the planner one. I don't know. My allergies today. I'm all watery too. Okay, so until next time. Bye.
Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.